Today we are all enjoying this warm, spring-like weather, but 1 year ago, the coastal empire and low country was transformed into a winter wonderland.
You know, it was a beautiful, rare sight for many of us, and your pictures and videos helped us tell the story.
I don't think I've ever seen it like this.
Doesn't seem like there's a lot of preparation for snow here, but I guess they don't get it very much.
January 3rd, 2018, a day most of us won't soon forget. The coastal empire and low country gently touched, some would say, by a blanket of snow, while others called it Snowmageddon. Longtime residents as well as tourists were simply in awe.
We came for warmth and hospitality. We got half.
You said it's colder than in England.
It is.
And I was hoping I could avoid all of this, but in order for me to get home, I guess I have to go through it.
And slowly but surely he did, along with thousands of others on that unusual Wednesday. Some communities saw up to 2 inches of snow, but of course, we couldn't have all this beauty without a few hiccups.
Within minutes, cars were crashing into each other or crashing into the guardrails. It was a solid sheet of ice.
Well, thankfully, no major injuries, but the Truman Parkway shut down because of all that ice and snow. And flying into and out of Savannah, forget about it.
I have no idea when we have a flight.
Savannah's Hilton Head International Airport closed for nearly 2 days because of ice and snow on the runway. More than a dozen flights canceled. Businesses shut down, roads impassable, schools closed. But at the end of the day, this winter wonderland brought some New Year's joy to most of your hearts and ours too.
Being able to see Savannah in, this snow globe effect it's mystical.
And it was. If you'd like to see more images from 1 year ago, just go to WSAV.com/winterstorm 2018.